Hi, I'm Kira, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a quillie rug using hot glue. The quillie rugs you are viewing have all been made with the method I'm showing in this video. First of all, we have a wool blanket that's been felted. It's been put in a hot wash and put in the tumble dryer. It's then been cut into strips that are 7 centimetres wide or 2 3/4 inches. Next we have glue sticks. You are going to need lots and lots of glue sticks. Some sharp scissors. You're not going to want to use a whole strip. You're going to want to be able to cut it into smaller sections to glue together. So you're going to need those. Some wool yarn and a curved needle. This is just to sew the back up. The yarn doesn't need to be the same colour as the rest of the project because you're not going to be able to see it. And if you don't have any sewing skills, it's fine. You're just going to be jabbing that in the back and pulling it up. It's not going to look pretty, and it really doesn't matter. It's just going to keep it all together. And the last thing is a hot glue gun. As you can see, I've got a fairly industrial one here. It's just sturdier and is going to last longer than the other ones. We also have this plastic matting. It's like a plastic tablecloth. It's quite thick, and it's just going to protect your work surface so you don't get glue all over it. As you can see, I've also got a little container there to catch any drips. So let's get gluing. What we're going to do is glue just under the halfway mark here, and that's going to secure it over. Put a long line of glue. And then we bend it over like that and just hold it down until the glue takes and it doesn't come apart. So as it dries, you'll be able to feel that there's this line of glue here, but it should still be able to bend. Here's one of our strips. And here's some other ones that I've already glued up. As you can see, they can still bend quite nicely, but you can feel that stiffness in there. We have our 2 strips, and what we're going to do is glue one to the other. So just with a bit of blob, and about the same distance from the top. As you can see, I've got the top up here. So we'll just secure that, and then we're going to put a bit over this way. There's a lot of holding it until the glue's dried so it doesn't part. This is pretty much all there is to making your standing wool rug. The design is really up to you, how you want it to look. But it really is that easy. When you've finished gluing all your bits of wool together, the next thing we want to do is flip it over and stitch the back. We have our thread. Just make a bit of a knot in the end, and we're going to stitch. The curved needle is nice and easy to get through. Just pull it through. There's sort of no rhyme or reason to it. We're really just wanting to stitch all the bits together so they don't come apart. And there you have it, your standing wool rug made with hot glue. Thanks for watching my video. I hope it inspired you to give it a go. If you would like to see more, click the subscribe button. If you would like to support making these videos, you can donate via the button on the banner of my YouTube channel. You will also find my social media links there. If you and a group of your friends would like a webinar with me, send me a private message.